This dog sounds like a super, but wait till you see level 10. This dog sounds like an owl.
Oh.
This dog sounds like a chicken. This dog sounds like a wine bottle popping on a Friday night. This dog sounds like a chainsaw in action. This dog sounds like a rally car. This cute pug will give you a superhuman luck this week if you like and subscribe before this video ends. This dog sounds like a train passing by. This dog sounds like a landing helicopter. This dog just had a pig for his dinner. This dog sounds familiar, isn't it? This dog sounds like an angry gorilla.